Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to send an ACH payment using Bank of America in 2025. If you've ever needed to transfer money electronically, ACH is your go-to method. It's secure, efficient, and often free for many transactions. Whether you're paying a friend, settling bills, or handling business payments, this guide will get you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Bank of America account. You'll need to be logged in via their mobile app or website for the best experience. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Bank of America app on your phone or log in to their website on your computer. Use your secure credentials to access your account. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Step 2. Look for the option that says ACH transfer or wire transfer. In 2025, Bank of America has streamlined this, so it might be under a new Electronic Payments tab. Select ACH, then enter the recipient's details. You'll need their routing number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. It's easy to typo a number and send money to the wrong place. Step 3. Add any necessary details, like a memo or reference for the payment, which helps the recipient know what it's for. Review the transaction summary, including any potential fees. ACH payments are often low cost or free, but it depends on your account type. Hit Confirm, and authorize the payment with your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. And just like that, you're done. The payment should process within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. One quick tip. Always keep an eye on your account for confirmations and check for any holds on your funds. If you're new to this, Bank of America might have tutorials in their help section. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.